What is going on, Hawk Nation? This is your Career Center Coordinator, Douglas Phoenix, and I'm coming today with you with a quick tutorial video on how to set up your Handshake account when you are first starting. So the one thing about Handshake is it's our career platform here for you to find on-campus jobs, off-campus jobs, internships, and other great opportunities for you to be able to expand your resume, your work experience, and then also ability to meet other people and chat and everything, as well as there is a messaging feature in there that they just added this year, but we won't get into that today. Today is solely focused on how to get you on Handshake, how to get your account created, and go from there. Now, one of the things I can say before getting into the full tutorial is Handshake still has this weird little problem. So if you're on a Mac laptop and you're trying to use Safari, for some reason it's not compatible with Safari, so go ahead and use any other website browser, so like a Chrome, like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. But yeah, go ahead and use one of those features to go ahead and start your Handshake account. And then again, this is just looking at this is mainly just looking at creating your Handshake account on a laptop or a desktop, just because it's the most easier way. You can do it on a mobile. It just takes a little bit more, but the process will still be the same. So let's get started. So one of the easy ways to just get started is you can just simply do a search for Handshake, and it will come up just like here. So Handshake Career Network for college students and recent grads. And that's the one that you'll want to click on. There's different links and things on our website that can also point you towards that. And trust me, there'll be a bunch of flyers on campus and in our center here that will give you just access to it. But again, it's a quick, simple search on Google or whatever you're using. So then once you go ahead and click on that, it will take you to this page. And this is the first page of how you'll go ahead and get started. And then so you'll want to click the login section. And then so here, so like it has here, so it has sign in, student or alumni, employer and career centers. You won't have to worry about that. But right here is where you want to focus on. So you want to go ahead and select your school. So you'll want to go ahead in here and type Holy Names University, and there we go. So then you'll click on that. It'll take you to this next page. And then so I always suggest just go down here. Don't click on this one. Go ahead and click on sign in with your email. So now here you want to type in your actual email, and then go for just typing in your email, and then we can go ahead and get you registered. And then so once you typed it in, you'll go ahead and click next. And then so it sent you an email, and then so you'll want to go ahead and check that. But you can click here. And then so like I said, see, so your account hasn't been created yet, your password hasn't been created yet, so you want to go ahead and click get started. Almost there. So now it sent you an email, so you want to go ahead and check that out. So as you can see here, we have an email from Handshake in our HNU email. So you want to go ahead and click on that, and then click there, and then so then you want to go ahead and set your password. So now you want to go ahead and create a password in there. So as you can see now, you're all ready to sign in. Your password is created, so then you'll be ready to go. So then again, you'll click down here. You'll type in your email again. And boom, so now you are in and ready to go. So it's just welcoming you here, saying just all the stuff, and you can go into the details and everything and read about the private policy in terms of service that you're joining HNU, and then you can go ahead and add your graduation date here. But we're just going to go ahead and click get started here. And then so from here, it's just going to send you through a little quiz, not even quiz, but like little just questionnaire of asking you like what you're looking for. It's to build a profile out for you. As you see, this taskbar up here will grow as we further go down and answer questions, just to build up a profile to see like what you're looking for, and for it could customize things for you. So let's say you're looking for internship, part-time jobs, and on campus. So you can click that. You can click full-time job if you wanted to as well. So then hit next. And then where you're looking at for this work for. So again, you can put Oakland, you can put Oakland, California, and then you're all set to go, and then you'll hit next. What industry are you looking to work in? And on these, you can click more than one. But let's just say I'm maybe looking in the sports and leisure, and then nonprofit work. So then you want to go there. And then what are you looking for in an employer? Pick up to 5. So this is crucial, so it can match up with what employers are posting that their job has, and what you value as a job, because it's not just about you just trying to find any job, but it's also what does that job value, and like how does it match up with the things that you want to do. So want something that's inspiring leadership, I would say, mission driven. And again, this is just me, so you go ahead and pick what you want for your 5, and then maybe high performance, and then let's say flexible work environment. So then you have your 5 and you're set to go. Then you'll hit next, and then what job roles are you interested in? And so maybe we're looking for like some HR work, maybe we're looking to do maybe some graphic design possibly. And then you can type things in here as well. If you were looking for something, let's say I was looking to be maybe like a counselor, and then you can just go through the different things on here. So there's a bunch of different jobs and everything that you look on here. So let's just click career counselor. And then that's there. And then again, you can get as in depth as you want to with this. So then we'll hit next. So help employers learn about you. So what skills do you bring? So this is a vital aspect as well. If any of you have like a LinkedIn account, you know that you have like a set of 50 skills on there. And then so you can do the same thing on here as well as showing the things that you have. So we'll just click a few. So communication, let's say typing, organization, and just to pick another one, let's go operations. And again, you can type in skills here and explore what you are looking for. So like detail to attention to detail could be one that you could put in here as well, or whatever it is. And then GPA. So your GPA will never be visible to employers. It's just for on here for Handshake, just to collect data and everything on there. But again, they don't share that with anybody. And so if you don't want to put it on here, that's fine as well. You can easily just skip. And if you want to put your GPA on here, you can put it on here and make it visible. But again, you will be choosing that. So again, you can go ahead and make your selection on what you want to do for that aspect. Are you in any organization? So any maybe clubs, any volunteer stuff that maybe is like globally or locally, you could put in here. And then even just the clubs and everything that are here. So like maybe you're part of like the BSU. What else do we have? We have like dance force here at HNU. So you can go ahead and put things in here yourself as well. These are not the top organizations at HNU. So again, just go ahead and put whatever clubs or any other organizations or groups that you're involved in. So then you can just click next. Have you worked or volunteer anywhere? So again, this is an opportunity for you to start putting in your work history. If you have a resume, these are things that you can bring over from that and put them on there for you. So you can like click like Macy's, and then you'll put like job title or whatever. So let's say I was a sales manager. All right, so we'll hit save, and then add a save, and then you'll just go from there, but you'll build it out later. You won't build it all here. So then we'll click next. First impressions, which jobs seem interesting to you? So you can look through here. They'll have a bunch of different jobs. So they have like 10 different jobs, and then you can like or pass. And then again, this is just about building up your profile as into what you're looking for. So let's say we like this one, another one comes. We could like that one, and then there again, it's just building up all the data and everything to build your profile for you. And then but you can just hit skip all, and that's fine. And then so from here, this information is all about who you want to share your information with. So your profile will be visible to employers, students, and alumni across the Handshake colleges and universities. Again, that's just it. If you want just employers, and just employers could see your page, and then so you cannot message students and alumni with similar experience. And then if you went private, again, so you would only be able to browse jobs and other resources, and then you cannot receive messages about job opportunities from potential employers. And then see here. So boom, so we'll go community, so then everybody can see your page. You can communicate with everybody. You hit done, and then you're all set to go. This will always be your default home page that you will come to again. So see here, it's building out your likes and jobs that they feel you may be interested in, upcoming events that we'll be having via the Career Center. So already looking at the Fall Career Fair, and then reading partners coming on campus. So this is where you'll be able to get all your information at, and everything from there, and then see how it has more things for you. So like job opportunities that you may like because of sports and leisure, jobs in Oakland, so forth and so on. Trending questions that may be in particular interest to you, and then you can go from there. And then to always work on your page, you'll go to view profile, and then from here you can always edit and everything that you want to do. If you have a resume, you can upload it here, and then all that information will come in, and then so that will help you get started and going from there. And then so from there, that's how you create your profile and get started on Handshake. Just wanted to shoot this for you all and get you all on Handshake and get going. We will be releasing another video on how to go about editing your profile, uploading pictures and everything. Just a quick tutorial on that as well. There's also a tutorial up about how to make appointments with the Career Center through Handshake. That'll be the way that you will go ahead and do that. And if you need help with anything, a resume, a cover letter with your Handshake account, making appointments for those will be through Handshake. And so go ahead and find that description below and that link, and let us know if you have any questions. And I hope this was helpful. Hope to meet you all soon. And again, if you have any questions about Handshake, please feel free to come down to the Career Center, Brennan 81, and we'll look forward to helping you and getting you started on Handshake. Have a great day. Bye.